Introducing the 2010 Dodge Charger. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Charger's advanced design lets you tap into seriously savage performance when you want it and save fuel when you don't. With 4 doors, it's a family-friendly muscle car that's surprisingly versatile. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, alarm, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control. Feel the exhilaration of raw muscle car power in the Charger. Come in for a test drive.